Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about more makeup essentials, meaning makeup essentials, makeup things or the things I put in my makeup bag. Not really everyday essential makeup essentials, but things I believe I can't really go without in my makeup box or in my makeup bag. Things I can't really go without in my makeup bag. So first thing I'm gonna start with is set of brushes. These are important. They are important because you use them to apply your foundation, you use them to apply your powder, and you use them to, your eyeshadow as well. If need be, if you use eyeshadow, eye eye pencil, which is eyebrow pencil. I use it to draw my eyebrow pencil to outline it. This is really nice. I define it to draw it out, right? And then after I do that, then I use a concealer to trace it out underneath my eyebrows, trace it out to give it a defined look. And then you use your brush, one of your makeup brushes, to clean this one after you trace it out with it. So after that, I move on to, yes, I want to apply the foundation, but before I do that, this is important. This is a primer, a foundation primer, and these I make sure I always have a foundation primer in my makeup purse. And this one is from number 7, but a brush away, which is really good. I use my concealer. This concealer is really good, and this one is from MAC, and this is the book concealer. This is really essential. I make sure I always have it because it covers up my marks and my spots effortlessly. Then after that, another essential thing I believe is my foundation. I use a couple of different foundations. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I also use my MAC foundation as well. This one is Prolonged Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and I use it on top of my prolonged concealer, and it gives you that perfect finish and look. So after I've done that, you use your brushes, your essential brushes, to apply all those things that I did mention earlier. So after that, I've done that. One thing I love wearing, and it's so essential in my makeup box, is my eyelash. This one is from my layers, right? My eyelash is really important, and this goes into my makeup box as well. Then this is the glue I use in applying my eyelash. So these are important, and they all go in my makeup box. Yes. After applying my eyelash, I do a bit of mascara on top of it, and this is important as well. It goes in my makeup box, my mascara. And if at times I don't want to wear eyelash, maybe I'm going to work, I don't want to wear eyelash, but I use this. I use my mascara. So that's why I said this is really essential as well, and goes into my makeup box. Yes, I forgot before. After doing your eyebrows, I use this to kind of brush out my eyebrows, and that's really good. That goes into my makeup box. It's an essential that goes into my makeup box. So the tweezer for applying my eyelash. Remember, tweezer for applying my eyelash. To use it to hold it, because it's not easy to hold it, to use a tweezer. So yes. Then I use my powder. It's very essential. My powder is very essential. Those things. This is. At times, if you don't want to wear foundation or concealer, you can just use a light powder on your face, and then at least it gives your face that look. So powder is really important. Then another thing I like to, when I'm going out, like my light. And one thing I use for my contouring is this. So which I already used to, highlight my eyebrows as well. This I use it to highlight underneath my eyes as well. So that's why this is really essential. Then I use these from Sleek. This powdered one from Sleek. See, this one to kind of contour, my face. And that is really important and essential, that goes into my makeup bag. So after that is my blush. Blush or blush. I love it. Just gives you that subtle look. That is essential as well. Goes into my makeup bag. These to set my highlighting. When I highlight, these are used to set my highlighting. So essential as well. Goes into my makeup bag. And this is called the Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. Really nice. It lifts up the face after highlighting it. So another thing I use, yes, that gives me that bit of glow is my Fenty Beauty. My Fenty Beauty, and this is Toffee White. It's Fenty Beauty. It's really nice. I'm nearly running out of it. As you can see, put it at the back, at the side, and it just gives me that glow. You know, makes my face shine up. So it's an essential. That is my makeup bag. I use that to dab my eyelash, to dab it underneath, and then to do the contour as well. So that is an essential as well. So going to that, I forgot, if you're going to be using your eyeshadow, you know, use an eyeshadow base. This is from a Nigerian product from Tara Cosmetics, and this is really essential as well in case I want to apply my eyeshadow. And my eyeshadow palette, yep, very essential. Different eyeshadow palette, very essential. That goes into my makeup bag as well. So we're almost done. So now let's go over to the lips. So if I want to do the lips, what the first thing I do is to prep it with the lip balm, which I do. Prep it with the lip balm, which is very good. This one is just from one of the drugstore, and it's called Vaseline. You know, prep it up with this. Then another essential one, I can't use my lip liner. At times you don't even need to use a lipstick. Lip liner is quite important. I used to line out my lips. Lip liner, this one is for MAC. Lip liner, then you apply your lipstick, or you can just use the lip liner, right? And then just use a lip gloss. This is for MAC as well. Lip liner, like what I'm wearing now, is just my lip liner, mahogany, and a lip gloss for MAC. And that gives me this look. Just something subtle. And just in case you don't want to, you can go in for your lipstick. Like this one is from MAC as well. This is a wet to matte liquid lip color. It's quite good. That's an essential as well, because not every time I just want to use my lip liner and a lip gloss. At times I want to, you know, just give it a bit of, you know, light up a little bit, you know. And then yes. So I was talking about the lip gloss, really good. That's an essential, very essential. That the finals that I always have in my makeup bag is this. I love this, and this is the setting spray, makeup setting spray, and this is from Urban Decay. Don't get me wrong, you can use any other setting spray you want. This is just what works for me. This is what I have in my personal makeup bag. So this setting spray is really good, and then after I've applied everything, even though it's just every day, I just use it, and it makes my makeup stay for a long time, you know. So that's it. So these are the essentials I have in my makeup, you know, my makeup bag, and they are called my makeup essentials. I hope you really do love this video. If you do, please give me loads of likes. Subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching it. Share with your friends and family, you know, and then press the notification button so you can get notified when I drop new videos. And you know what? Always keep safe. Wash your hands, and this too shall pass. And it's a girl again, Oluwatoyin. Until I see you in my next video. Stay good and be good. Bye. Much love.